You ready for the river adventure? She's so nervous, guys. We just found out that the front row might get the wettest, and we're in the front row. Oh my goodness.
Picking it up like the place.
Atlas. I hope we don't see the two rocks. You think so? Here we go. It's supposed to just be nice. It's herbivores. So no meat eaters. You can sit back.
No.
It doesn't go fast. No feeding, yelling, or flash photography. Don't feed the dinosaurs. See, it's very soft cotton.
Time, the ever-flowing river. Come with us now to a time before man, when the river flowed through a newborn world, and giants walked the earth. Welcome to Jurassic Park.
It's a dinosaur! No yelling at him, it says.
Get this all up.
Rostrous first.
Of the whole house. So, that means you what pizza? And the
Yeah.
are among the largest creatures ever.
It's always coming to sniff you.
Giant no she hundreds of massive keep saying the
What is he doing in the water, though?
and the circumference so it is curved.
Oh, it's
Like deep.
what is this? No, they're not sea rats. These are the piranhas.
Of herbivorous set in from Ceratops and the mighty Triceratops.
Oh, they're related to a T-Rex.
Those are not dinosaurs. And I should be something among the real dinosaurs and stegosaurus when semi-armor plate and spike things protected herbivores from savage predators of the native periods.
What's up? What's this there? Oh, what is that? Look at its tail.
From their main carriers. And came lives for these magnificent animals. Yeah.
What is that? She's spraying you.
It had the sore coat.
Oh God, he snotted us.
So,
This is a hadrosaur.
Hadrosaur feet are like a kind of a lion.
Wait, we're supposed to go that way.
Such as carrots and olives. Who do you know?
Oh,
He was dead. Hey, Christ.
this is the Raptor containment area.
It's so bad.
Oh, they broke out. I'm shaking Atlas. The copies. Oh, it's one of the racist traits. Atlas, I'm freaking out. Sit up. Sit up so you don't get hurt.
That's sad.
Oh, this is a big no. Why are we going up into the hill?
Others.
Oh my gosh, I'm so scared I can't even see you.
The flat noise.
Oh, oh my God. That's oh. Get us out of here, Atlas. How do you drive the boat?
That was insane. So much to do.
Oh, it's poison on us. Oh, there's another one. Okay, I think we're clear. I think we're clear. Oh, it has footprints that big.
What? The cameras about you all gets different. God, thanks for speaking. But.